Okay, so this is another little tip related to create terrains like a brain. Brain is quite exciting. We're gonna. I mean, you will see in the future that there are other tricks by displacement that you can do a very nice brain landscape, but we're gonna do it more by hand. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna do our famous in polygons. And polygons here, both. Just do a box, the simple one, and as you know, like always, because in create polygons is not checked here, so it creates a box right in the middle, uh, measuring 1, no? Let's press 5 to see this, and if you press 3, by pressing the object 3, it's relaxed. Now let's go back to 1, and I'm gonna insert edit mesh and insert edge loop tool options. So which and just relative distance from edge, that's a good one. Remember, you can also, if you're in the object, you can also like shift right click, sorry, Q, right click object mode, select the object, shift right click, edge, insert edge loop tool, and you can go either options or insert edge loop tool here. I'm going to insert just a couple of them, and I don't know, one here, and I think it's fine, a couple here. This means that if we press 3 now it's a totally different figure. Now I'm gonna press go to Q, sorry, select the object, object mode, right click on the object and vertex. So this one, so I'm selecting all this side and just taking them over here. What I'm gonna do is, let me show you the image. It's by half, so I'm gonna do 1/2, and whoever's doing the brain, I think it's quite difficult. So if they do 1/2 and approximates to the idea of this landscape, I think it will be an amazing project, no? Also, I have this other image that gives us the figure, so we can follow up. I'm sure that you have also images that you can control and follow. Okay, so I'm gonna just start, shaping it according to this figure and this silhouette from the side, no? So I'm always selecting like a number of points, not only the front ones, and I'm gonna shape this. See, it's always selecting that. Little bit little into the shape. Of course, the person that's doing the brain should be of course, taking this into more serious steps. I'm gonna do it more less accurate. I'm gonna go to the side, select this one so you can see all this happen. Select it and take it back. And I'm gonna select this one, shift this one, and this one, and take it out. Then this one, shift and select, and this one here, and just, I mean, this is like almost no steps. You guys, whoever's doing it, should take more serious steps for this. Even I have to take more serious steps. Let's see, one, and take it in very much. This one probably down, so it gets the figure. Let's see this one, if it can go up. This one down. We probably need to go object mode, select the object, shift right click, insert the edge loop, probably around here, and Q to get out of there, and W to select vertex and keep on reshaping this. Not many, you shouldn't insert many edge loops, and be careful that the more edge loops, the more difficult it becomes. So you need at the end that perfect type of half of a brain figure. Let's see, we can actually take these ones down, and I think comes up in here, so we can go like that, like that. This is like flatter, like here, it starts to shape. This is up, and like that. I think that starts. Of course, this is not what we want, but there you go. I think it's much better in this way. I think it's quite clear what I'm trying to do. No, so move your vertex as much as you can until you get that perfect overall. Don't worry about the little shapes, which is what we're gonna do afterwards. So I think it's nice for now as a brain thing. Of course, many things could be changed, but for now it's good. Couple things we need to know. I did this flat because of the idea of the half of brain thing, which is good. So we probably want to select this piece, take it over here next to the axis. So now we can do the mirror of this piece by selecting the object, going to edit mesh, and say mirror geometry options. And you just need to check these guys here in the bottom left to see in what direction we have to make a mirror of this. So I think it's Z. C plus is the line, so it has to be C minus, which is here. You may have done in the options. Just test different ones and don't have merged the original, don't have anything checked here. Say mirror should go there. I mean, this is not the perfect mirror, but if you have a very nice half, it should do like a quite nice piece. Now go to the outliner. What we have here, if we select this one of them, we select one, it selects both of them. What we need to do is it's very simple. We need to go to mesh and separate. Okay, it's a good step to they go to their one way of seeing it. You can just but they're separate, so we haven't lost the relax. You just have to press 3 again and 3 to have the two little pieces here. So and also they're allocated inside of this space. You can rename them, so you can select them, or you can select one and say Control H to hide it and only work now in one of them. In the next little tutorial I will talk about how to do this landscape feeling more carefully. Okay, next.